When you think about a Tesla, it's very convenient. That's why in today's video, I'm going to share with you 11 amazing Tesla features that's very convenient, and I'm starting right now. The first convenient feature that I want to share with you in this video will be your Tesla key, or should I say the lack thereof, because Tesla has really revolutionized the key experience with their cars. And with your Tesla, you're going to receive a key card. It's almost just like a credit card size. All you do in order to unlock your car is that we're going to come right over here to the center door pillar, and we're going to take our key card and press it right here in the middle. And as you can see, your car is now unlocked. And from here, you can just get inside your car. But let me tell you, that's really not the first option that I use. I only use my key card for backup, because your Tesla also comes with what they like to call phone key. For whenever you have your Bluetooth connected to your phone will now serve as the key to the car. So you don't even have to have your phone out. So I'm going to put my phone in my pocket, and whenever I come over here to the car, as you can see right now, the car is locked. You can tell by the mirror being folded. I'm just going to open up the car door, and now the car is unlocked. And what's even sweeter with this is that once you get inside of the car here, all you do is put your foot on the pedal and now put the car in drive, and the car will drive off. But be sure you close the door for safety reasons. Now, whenever you own a Tesla, it's like owning a fine bottle of wine that's going to get better over time, and that's due to the over-the-air software updates. Now, Tesla vehicles will regularly receive updates, and they will receive it over Wi-Fi or also the LTE network that your car will come with. And a lot of times this will improve performance, add new features, enhancing your safety. And the best part is you don't have to go into a service center. Now, all you have to do is come over here to your screen, and a lot of times it will say update available, and you just press it, and that's it. And the great thing is it's going to save all of your release notes right here on the car. So if you forget something, it's all right here. And not only is it right there, it will tell you exactly what the update is. And another amazing and convenient feature of your Tesla can be found in your Tesla's app. Through the Tesla's app on your phone, you can control various aspects of the car. Essentially, your car is like a big remote control car where your phone is the remote. You can flash the lights, you can blow the horn, you can open up the front, the trunk, you can start the car, the climate control. You can even schedule service right through this. There is so much that you can do through your phone. You can use your Siri feature and so many other things. I can go all day about how much the app can do that's integrated with the car, which I have a video, and I'm going to tag it right here in the cards or right here, whatever side it's on. Check it out after you check out this video, and I'm going to link it down below as well, because there is so much that you can do through your Tesla app. Now, another great feature and benefit of owning a Tesla is the additional storage space, because with any electric vehicle, you no longer have an engine up here. So therefore, you have additional storage space, and it is good for like a carry-on suitcase. It is completely isolated from the cabin. So if you have something that you don't want the food aroma or anything else to get into the car, it is completely isolated from the cabin. And also, talking about storage space, here in the back of the car, these cars have impressive storage space. Now, I'm going to drop all of the specs on how much storage you really get on your Tesla down here in the description. Right here, you have additional storage space. It is almost big enough for me to actually get, oh, look at that. I'm actually sitting in the back of the Tesla here. So be sure that your kids don't play hide and go seek. Make sure you have a code word. And from there, you also have space on both sides. That's great for like if you go shopping, you want to put some soda or bottles of wine. You have that on both sides. Space under here, it's not a lot. However, it is space. So you can put things there as well. This is great. It's not like a 60-40 split. If you just want the center to go down by itself, it goes down here. And if I want the seat to go down, all I'm do is just pull this right here, and the seat went falling down. These are electric. So from there, the seats go down. And you can literally almost put, hit my head there. You can almost put like a mattress back here. They actually sell mattresses, and you can just lay and relax and just look at that view. And another feature is the summon feature. And again, this right here is only available through your enhanced autopilot. Here on the screen, you have a come to me, or you can go to Target. I can move the car forward or backwards. So right now, I am going to have the car to come right over here to me. So I'm going to press where it says come to Target. And as you can see right now, the car is moving. I'm going to move on this side so you can see more of the car. And now the car, with no one being in the inside, the car is driving right over here to where I set the target light somewhere over here. So as you can see, the car is coming and the target was about right there. So just say if it was raining, or if you're in a parking lot, or if you were parking down the street and you needed the car just to come on over, now you can go on and run, get inside of the car and continue with your day without running far out to get in the car. And another amazing feature with your Tesla is the ability to charge at home, talking about convenience, right? So all you do is come over here with your charge port. We're going to press the little circle here on your charge port. It will open right up and you plug it right in. It's simple as like charging your cell phone at home. And just know that electricity is far cheaper than gas. Because look here on your screen, I have only spent $11 in the last 31 days in comparison to gas, which would have cost me approximately $338, saving me $327 in the last 31 days. Now you have some people that's going to say, well, how long does it take to charge? Here at home, I have the Tesla charger here. I have actually two because we have the Model 3 on that side. However, it takes roughly about 3 to 4 hours. Just say if I'm on 30%, and I'm getting it back up to 80. Right now, I am at 78%, and you can see here on the screen, I have 242 miles. But that is your home charging. If you're out on the road and you're traveling at a high-speed supercharger, you're only there every 3 to 4 hours. It may take about 15 to 20 minutes in order to get you up back to your charge. So with your Tesla, it is practical for your daily commute. Have you ever been driving before, you use your turn signal, and a few miles later, you realize that your turn signal is still on? That's not the case whenever you're inside of your Tesla, because with Tesla, they have auto cancellation of your turn signal. Now, with your auto cancel, your turn signal will automatically turn off after a merge, a fork, or a lane change has been completed. Now, this is cool. If the vehicle detects an upcoming turn or another lane change in the same direction is coming up very close, the turn signal will not turn off until that maneuver is completed. Now, in order to activate this feature, you want to come over here to your car menu, and from here we're going to go down to lights, and where it says auto turn signal, you want to select the option that says auto cancel. And auto steer and autopilot is it for me. You can relax more knowing that your car is watching out for you at all times. And also, this car is so much better in stop and go traffic. Just think about the elimination of those human errors whenever you're driving. You shouldn't be looking at your phone. This is my disclaimer, but just say if you're glancing down at your phone, if you're tired, you're fatigued, your car will keep itself centered in its lane. I always keep on always rainbows on my car. That's why you see the rainbow going right now. And that way it's like additional notice to me that the car is now in autopilot. Now, I do get asked time from time, how do you enable always rainbows? So I'm just going to show you real quick. So we're going to come here where you see your toy box, and from your toy box, we're going to scroll all the way over to where it says Rainbow Road. And from here, you can see always rainbows, and you just want to make sure that that's blue to show that it's enabled. And there you go. Another convenient feature with your Tesla is hold mode. Just think about this. Whenever you get to a stoplight, you don't have to hold your foot down on the brake the entire time. You don't really know how convenient this is until you try it. Now, in order to activate this feature, we're going to come over to our car menu again. We're going to come over here where it says pedal and steering. We're not going to have creep, but we're going to select where it says hold. Now, anytime that the car is stopped, you can take your foot off the brake and the car will hold in place. The same way at home that you can talk to your Amazon Echo or your Google Voice, or here on your phone you can talk to Siri, did you know that you can actually control aspects of the car using Tesla's voice commands? And in order to enable Tesla voice command, you're just going to press the right scroll wheel and then you talk to the car. Turn the temperature to 70. You see now it's 70. If I come over here and say, turn on the driver heat warmer. You see now the driver heat warmer is on. And there are 18 voice commands that you need to know about your Tesla, and I tell you those right there in the top video. Be sure you check it out because I'm pretty sure there's something on that list that you didn't know that exists. In the other video, all things related to your Tesla and your finances, subscribe and I will see you in the next video.